Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mudmore Mayhem YouTube channel, and in today's video, gonna be back to work on the 66 Cadillac. I just got the engine pulled last night. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch me pull the engine in this. So, I gotta get this thing rolled outside. Probably gonna pull the battery, and I'm gonna start pressure washing. I gotta get my pressure washer out. I gotta tie up the exhaust. And, yeah, because it's caked on pretty good. So, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to get the engine on the stand, pressure wash it. And then maybe in this video, I'll start to get to disassembly. Maybe. We'll see. So, let me go ahead, get this thing rolled outside, and fix the pressure washer. Okay, let's get pressure washing. Let me fix this thing. It's been leaking for a long time. Okay, it's just as bad as it was before. I've already wasted too much time. I've wasted like a half an hour, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. What the fuck is going on here? Looks like I'll be going to Harbor Freight and getting a new pressure washer. Okay, let me go ahead and get this pressure washed. It's not as good as I was hoping it was gonna be. Okay, I just did a knockdown of most of the grease. I got some truck wash in here. This stuff is like straight acid. It's about 30 years old before OSHA. This stuff works good. So, let me show you guys working with it. Oh, gotta turn on. I know you guys ain't gonna be able to hear me, but there we go. Emptied the container. And now let this sit, and I'll pressure wash it off and then get the engine on a stand. The world's worst pressure washer. This thing sucks so bad. Okay guys, the engine bay is clean. I'm gonna have to obviously really scrub it down and needle scale it and everything before I paint it. But for now, it is good enough. Like, there's still oil caked on the sway bar, but this pressure washer sucks. I really need to go to Harbor Freight and get a new one. This one's lasted about 2 years. So, next up, I'm going to go ahead and get the engine on the stand, which the plate, well, the stand's over there. Plate's in the trunk. This is also on the agenda at some point. it has a nice vent holes in the trunk. Okay, where is it? Oh, right here. Okay, let me go ahead, get the engine on the stand. Okay, sketchy engine hoist, round 2. I don't exactly like where... Okay, guys, sketchy engine hoist, round 2. I don't exactly like where the plate is placed. You usually want it centered with the cam, but it could 100% be user error. But I've done 2 small block Fords, an LS, and now this on this engine stand, and I could never get it centered with the cam. So I don't like it, but hopefully it will do. So sketchy engine hoist, round 2. Okay. Hopefully the engine stand supports it. If not, I don't know. Oh yeah, leaked oil all over my floor. Okay, I step off. This is a half ton from Harbor Freight, and it ain't up high enough. Okay, let me go up a little bit more. I got it about 2 years ago, and I don't get why they do it, but you can't use the bell housing bolts. I've ran into it on small block Fords. You can't use the bell housing bolts, especially this. They're too short. And I already cut down the sleeves on the plate. Jesus. I think it's currently protesting. Okay. I have since lost the little pin. So I guess I'm using a 3/8 extension. Okay, what could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go right? Alright. Oh, yeah. Yep. I wouldn't want it any other way. Okay. It's supported. Wow. That's a lot of coolant. Okay. Engine is on the stand, currently pissing coolant all over my floor, but what are you gonna do? Let's get this thing rolled up to the door and get it pressure washed. So it looks like pressure washing is gonna be in one video, and then the disassembly is gonna be in another. So let me go ahead, give this a quick rinse, and then I'll spray it down with the wash, and then rinse it again. So, let me get started. Got to turn on the thing. If you guys aren't rebuilding an engine and you're just pressure washing it, fluffy and take off. For this, it ain't going to be a huge deal because it's not going to be sitting long enough for anything to rust. It'll hopefully start to get disassembled today. Which, I don't like doing this in the shop, but I have no choice because I can't roll it outside. Wow. That takes on there. That was a brand new fuel pump. Holy shit, there is timing marks. Who would have guessed? This is gonna take a while. Just like I said, the world's shittiest pressure washer. Well, I'm gonna get this thing pressure washed, and it's gonna be a while, and I should pick up all my tools off the floor because my floor is getting soaked. Okay, let's get this thing sprayed down. There we go. Okay guys, the engine is degreased. You can see all the clumps of grease on my floor. It's gonna be a lot of cleanup. So, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So, little story time. Find this funny. Is I bought this car, like I said, in July of last year. The guy that had this before bought it in 2008, and he drove it. On the title, it said at the time it had 130,000 miles. I'm still not sure of that, but now it has 37,000, so which would be 137,000. So he drove it a lot. And then it was last registered in 2009, and then it sat behind his house in just the outskirts of Boston. And I ended up buying it after he did a bunch of half-ass body work to it. It was half primered, half blue. It was not good. So, and he was kind of disappointed to see it go because he wasn't expecting anybody to buy it for $700. So, I kind of messaged him back and forth. He loved what I was doing to the car after I just had it painted black. Showed him sent him pictures of the interior and everything, and he said he had a complete gasket set for the car, not for the engine, but for like the windows and everything. So he said, "Yeah, when I find them, I'll send them to you." Almost a year later, ever anything. So then I decided that I was going to restore the car, which I still plan on doing this winter. So that'll be in upcoming videos. And I said, "Yeah, I'm going to restore the car. Do you like what's the backstory on it?" And this is when the seller regret comes in. And he's like, "Nope, I know nothing." Well, you have to know something. Did it sit before you got it? What, you know? Because I can already tell you, he swapped out the driver's fender with a rusty one because the driver's fender's tan. It was never blue. So, like, this major seller regret, and I just find it funny that, after the car's been sitting, 14 years in his backyard, now somebody's actually doing something with the car, and he's having major seller regret. Well, you said in the description on Marketplace that you had no time to help it. So I just find that funny, a little story time for you guys. So you guys will hopefully be seeing this. Today's Thursday, the 25th. You guys will hopefully see it Friday. The engine removal just dropped this morning, so hopefully this will be 9:30 Friday morning. I'm gonna go inside and edit this video right now, so then I can film the disassembly. I want to do it all in one video, but I gotta go and make a tripod or do something, so I can actually film the engine disassembly. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Not sure how many views the first video's gotten already, but I'm not sure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and I also like to all of my Ford guys watching the videos. The OBS will be back soon. I just need to find a rust-free. Surface rust is okay. There's no holes or thin spots. F350 frame with Dana 60 axles. So speaking of that, if you guys have any leads on them in New Hampshire, willing to travel to surrounding states, so I need a frame. So there's the update on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.